What is the typically lifespan of a cicada? Several years. How do cicadas produce their characteristic sound? Stridulation. In which order do cicadas belong in the insect classification? Diptera. What is the purpose of the periodical cicada synchronized emergence? Mating and reproduction. What is the main diet of adult cicadas? Leaves. Where do cicadas spend the majority of their lives? Underground. Which type of cicadas are known for their 17 years and 13 years life cycles? Periodical cicadas. What is the scientific name for the Cicada, genus of periodical cicadas? Cicada. What is the purpose of the loud sound produced by male cicadas? Attracting mates. How many eyes do cicadas typically have? 4 eyes.